Diagnosis and treatment of hyperthyroidism. Thyroid gland is one of the most important glands of the human body which regulates several functions. The thyroid is a small butterfly-shaped gland that lies at the bottom of the neck, normally just below Adam's apple. It makes a hormone that your whole body uses, and this hormone is particularly important in the regulation of the body's energy and metabolism. Hyperthyroidism occurs when thyroid gland produces too much of the hormone thyroxine. Hyperthyroidism is more common in women. Diagnosis. Doctor will ask about your medical history and look for symptoms including a swollen thyroid, a rapid pulse, moist skin, and shaking in your hands or fingers. After a thorough history and physical exam, blood tests will be done to check your TSH, T3, and T4 levels. They will give you tests that might include thyroid panel. This blood test measures levels of thyroid hormones and thyroid stimulating hormone. A thyroid ultrasound is a non-invasive test that uses sound waves to create images of your thyroid. The best test to diagnose an overactive thyroid is a blood test called TSH. TSH will be low if the thyroid is working too much. A low or suppressed TSH with upper normal to elevated T3 and T4 hormone levels is indicative of a hyperthyroid state. Thyroid antibodies are useful in Graves' disease diagnosis and monitoring of Graves' disease treatment. The best treatment option for hyperthyroidism will depend on the cause and severity of the hyperthyroid state. Hyperthyroidism can be treated with antithyroid medication, radioiodine treatment, or thyroid surgery. Most patients will be started on antithyroid medication initially to control symptoms. Your doctor will help you decide on a treatment based on your age, your overall health. Patients with Graves' eye disease should be seen by an ophthalmologist for further evaluation. Antithyroid drugs. Oral medications can be used to treat hyperthyroidism but do not normally offer a permanent cure. Methimazole is generally used more often than profylthiouracil because it's thought to have less side effects. However, it cannot be used during pregnancy. Side effects include allergic reactions like rash or itching. Liver function also needs to be monitored through tests when using these medications. Beta blockers. These medications don't treat your levels of thyroid hormone but can help with thyroid symptoms like anxiety, shaking, or rapid heartbeat. Radioactive iodine is actually the most commonly used hyperthyroid treatment in the United States. You swallow a small amount of radioactive iodine. Overactive thyroid cells absorb it and it destroys them. This makes your thyroid shrink and your levels of thyroid hormone go down. This treatment does not require hospitalization and it is normally given in pill form. This will result in hypothyroidism in most cases requiring thyroid hormone supplementation. Surgery or thyroidectomy. Occasionally, if medications are not a good option for you, your doctor may remove all or part of your thyroid. This is called thyroidectomy. Depending on the extent of the surgery, permanent hypothyroidism may result, requiring lifelong thyroid hormone supplementation. If you undergo surgery and radioactive iodine treatment, you will have to rely on medications for the rest of your life to maintain the levels of the thyroid hormones. No specific dietary changes will help in the management and prevention of hyperthyroidism except a general recommendation to avoid food that has a very high content of iodine. Keep a check on your iodine intake. A person with hyperthyroidism should avoid eating excessive amounts of iodine-rich foods such as iodized salt, fish and shellfish, dairy products, iodine supplements, egg yolks. Excessive intake of iodine is often associated with an increased risk of thyroid problems, but this does not mean you need to give up iodine completely, as iodine serves an important purpose in the overall functioning of your body. Foods and beverages that contain caffeine, such as coffee, tea, soda, and chocolate, can exacerbate the symptoms of hyperthyroidism and lead to increased anxiety, nervousness, irritability, and rapid heart rate. More protein may be necessary if there has been a lot of weight loss and muscle wasting. And unfortunate consequences of hyperthyroidism. Calcium and vitamin D levels need to be optimized due to the detrimental effects of hyperthyroidism on the bones. Stress management is an integral part of any holistic approach to manage a thyroid disorder. An extreme amount of physical stress can cause a potentially life threatening thyroid storm if you have untreated hyperthyroidism or Graves' disease. Follow up with your doctor as recommended to assure you are responding to therapy. Monitor thyroid hormone levels by getting a blood test done every 2 to 6 months after you start taking the prescribed medications. Once you have started taking medications and your thyroid function is restored to normal, keep a close watch on your weight. Hyperthyroidism and pregnancy. Hyperthyroidism during pregnancy needs to be treated to prevent complications such as early labor or preeclampsia in the mother and prematurity, rapid heart rate, congenital defects, or neonatal hyperthyroidism in the fetus. In women, hyperthyroidism can cause lighter periods or menstrual irregularity, which can reduce fertility. In men, hyperthyroidism can reduce sperm count, which can reduce fertility. Thus, if an individual has hyperthyroidism, it's important to treat the condition and normalize the thyroid hormone levels before trying to conceive. Complications of untreated hyperthyroidism. Hyperthyroidism can be treated. However, left untreated, it can lead to a number of long-term life-threatening consequences including osteoporosis, heart arrhythmias, stroke, hypertension, congestive heart failure, weight loss, increased cholesterol levels, difficulty walking, depression, slowing of mental and physical activities, Graves' ophthalmopathy, and it can also lead to a thyroid storm. A thyroid storm is a rare but serious condition, so call your doctor immediately if you have high fever, rapid or irregular heartbeat, tremors, and vomiting or diarrhea, all symptoms of a thyroid storm which can be fatal. Thank you.